how to use ChatGPT with Asana to automate tasks. So if you want to use ChatGPT with Asana to automate tasks, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then make sure that you have stable internet connection. Now, what you need to do is open up your ChatGPT and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, after logging into your account, you need to just simply go with your profile, which will be in the top left, and then you need to go with your settings. Now, once you're on your settings here, you will have an option of apps. You need to click on apps, and then you can go with explore apps. Or you may also have an option of apps and connections. You need to go and select it. After selecting, now here you need to go with search. Now you need to search for Asana. After searching, you need to go and select Asana and then go with connect, which will be on the right side, and connect ChatGPT to Asana from here. You can work with your Asana's tasks, subtasks, comments, due dates, and project details to create summaries, understand priorities, and prepare clear status updates. So in this way, you'll be able to use ChatGPT with Asana to automate tasks. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.